Picture this. You're driving the same vehicle for decades, accumulating hundreds of thousands of miles, perhaps even crossing the million-mile threshold, and it still purrs like the day you bought it. Sounds impossible, right? Well, prepare to be amazed, because today we're unveiling the 13 most indestructible automobiles ever manufactured. Vehicles that have earned legendary status through real-world testing by countless owners who've pushed them beyond their supposed limits. From comfortable family vehicles to robust off-road machines, these automotive marvels consistently achieve remarkable longevity milestones that will leave you speechless. So stay tuned until the very end, because the number one pick might completely change your perspective on automotive reliability. Starting our countdown at number 13, we have the Honda Odyssey, a minivan that has redefined family transportation since 1994. This remarkable people mover showcases exceptional build quality, with the 2022 model earning an impressive 81 out of 100 reliability rating from J.D. Power. Families across America have discovered that their Odyssey can effortlessly surpass 300,000 miles while maintaining reasonable maintenance expenses and strong resale values. The vehicle delivers exceptional comfort, generous interior space, and outstanding safety credentials, earning recognition as an Insurance Institute for Highway Safety top safety pick. Models manufactured between 2017 and 2021 represent the pinnacle of Odyssey reliability, making them ideal candidates for anyone seeking a dependable used family hauler. At number 12, we encounter the Mazda Miata, proving that sports cars don't have to sacrifice reliability for excitement. Since its revolutionary debut in 1989, this lightweight roadster has established an unshakable reputation for dependability through its brilliantly simple engineering philosophy. The NC generation particularly shines with exceptional build quality, and while occasional maintenance items like radiators or exhaust components might require attention, it remains among the most trustworthy sports cars available. With a 4.0 out of 5 reliability score from RepairPal and annual maintenance costs averaging just $429, ownership remains surprisingly affordable. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell to never miss our latest automotive insights, because we're just getting started with these reliability champions. Numerous Miata owners report smooth operation well beyond 200,000 miles, thanks to readily available parts and straightforward servicing procedures. Number 11 brings us the underappreciated Subaru Legacy, a mid-size sedan that combines all-wheel drive capability with impressive longevity. The fourth-generation models, particularly the 2004 Legacy, earned praise for their balanced handling characteristics and efficient fuel consumption. These vehicles feature a robust 3.0-liter flat-six engine producing 245 horsepower and 215 pound-feet of torque. While later CVT-equipped models experienced some reliability challenges, the 2005 through 2009 generations, especially the 2006 and 2007 model years, demonstrated exceptional durability. The 2010 through 2014 generation showed marked improvements, with the 2016 and 2017 models receiving high marks for both reliability and customer satisfaction. At number 10, the Mazda 6 proves that mid-size sedans can deliver both performance and unwavering dependability. This well-engineered sedan features a 2.5-liter engine, achieving up to 35 miles per gallon on highways, while the turbocharged variant delivers up to 250 horsepower without compromising reliability. The smooth-shifting 6-speed automatic transmission contributes significantly to the vehicle's longevity, helping achieve 26 miles per gallon in city driving and 35 on highways. Advanced suspension systems and G-Vectoring Control Plus technology protect critical components while enhancing driving dynamics. The high-strength steel frame construction provides exceptional durability and safety, while modern features like blind spot monitoring and lane departure warnings help extend the vehicle's operational life. With proper maintenance, the Mazda 6 can achieve up to 600,000 miles, making it an outstanding long-term investment. Number 9 showcases the Ford F-150, America's best-selling pickup truck and a testament to rugged reliability. The 2011 and 2012 models introduced the innovative EcoBoost technology, combining impressive power output with surprising fuel efficiency. Later 13th generation models, from 2018 and 2019, feature lightweight aluminum body panels that resist corrosion while reducing overall weight. These trucks offer multiple robust powertrains, including the legendary 3.5-liter EcoBoost V6 engine, renowned for its exceptional durability. J.D. Power consistently awards the F-150 high marks for long-term dependability, making it the perfect choice for demanding work applications. At number 8, the Chevrolet Suburban delivers massive capability wrapped in reliable engineering. This full-size SUV offers 3 distinct powertrain options: a 3.0-liter turbo diesel, a 5.3-liter V8, and a 6.2-liter V8. Interior cargo capacity reaches an astounding 1,447 cubic feet with rear seats folded, while the diesel variant achieves up to 27 miles per gallon on highways. The 2024 model demonstrates strong performance capabilities, though its predicted reliability score stands at 78 out of 100, according to J.D. Power analysis. Number 7 introduces the Mercedes-Benz E-Class W124, a luxury sedan that redefined automotive durability between 1984 and 1995. Mercedes engineers deliberately overbuilt these vehicles, creating what many consider among the most indestructible automobiles ever manufactured. Numerous W124 examples have exceeded 500,000 miles with only routine maintenance, with diesel variants proving particularly long-lasting. This generation earned legendary status for near-indestructible construction, offering affordable entry into Mercedes ownership without sacrificing the brand's renowned durability. The high-performance 500e, later renamed E500, was developed in collaboration with Porsche, though even standard models provide exceptional value and reliability. Number 6 brings us the Toyota Camry, consistently ranking among the world's most dependable vehicles. This mid-size sedan offers 2 engine choices: a 2.5-liter 4-cylinder, producing 203 horsepower, or a 3.5-liter V6 generating 301 horsepower. Both powertrains emphasize efficiency and longevity, paired with front-wheel drive and a smooth 8-speed automatic transmission. Fuel economy impresses with up to 28 miles per gallon in city driving and 39 on highways, while Toyota Safety Sense provides advanced collision avoidance and lane-keeping assistance. The Camry's exceptionally low maintenance costs and outstanding long-term reliability enable many examples to exceed 600,000 miles with proper care. At number 5, the Honda Accord continues this brand's reliability legacy with proven engineering excellence. This popular sedan combines attractive styling with efficient performance and spacious accommodations for passengers and cargo. Outstanding fuel efficiency makes it exceptionally affordable for daily commuting, while the reliable powertrain and well-constructed components ensure years of trouble-free operation. Many Accord owners report smooth operation well beyond 300,000 miles, delivering consistent performance, whether tackling short errands or extended highway journeys. Number 4 showcases the Toyota 4Runner, an off-road legend famous for exceptional durability in harsh conditions. This body-on-frame SUV handles challenging terrain and severe weather with remarkable resilience, with many owners reporting trouble-free operation beyond 300,000 miles. The 4Runner features Toyota's legendary 22RE engine, widely regarded as one of the most reliable power plants ever manufactured. Spacious interior accommodations and powerful V6 performance deliver excellent capability, both on-road and off-road, while strong resale values protect your investment over time. Number 3 presents the Toyota Land Cruiser, a global icon engineered for extreme durability in any environment. This premium SUV regularly achieves hundreds of thousands of miles, with some examples reaching the million-mile milestone through diligent maintenance. Despite premium pricing, the Land Cruiser's exceptional quality justifies the investment, with annual maintenance costs averaging around $800, with a reliability score of 83 out of 100. This SUV provides unmatched dependability for demanding applications worldwide. Over 10 million units sold globally demonstrate the Land Cruiser's universal appeal and proven track record across diverse markets and conditions. Number 2 features the Toyota Sequoia, a family-focused SUV that delivers outstanding longevity for large households. Since its launch in 2000, the Sequoia has built an impressive reliability reputation, particularly in models from 2009 onward. These later generations demonstrate fewer problems and smoother operation, making them ideal for extended family use over many years. The Sequoia achieves an impressive reliability score of 83.5 out of 100, ranking among Toyota's most dependable SUVs alongside the Prius and Sienna. Annual maintenance costs average approximately $642, while major repairs affect only 15% of vehicles, typically involving minor issues. And claiming our number 1 position, the Lexus LS400 stands as the ultimate reliability champion. Automotive journalist Matt Farah famously drove his LS400 to 1 million miles, demonstrating this luxury sedan's extraordinary endurance capabilities. Launched in 1989, the LS400 revolutionized luxury automotive expectations by delivering unprecedented reliability levels rarely seen in premium vehicles. The robust V8 engine operates smoothly for decades, while the refined ride quality and whisper-quiet cabin create an exceptional ownership experience. Maintenance remains surprisingly affordable compared to other luxury vehicles, with owners reporting minimal issues even at extremely high mileages. These 13 automotive legends prove that exceptional reliability isn't just marketing hype, but achievable reality for drivers who choose wisely.